Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to set up a Gmail account. If this is the first time you're opening up an account, you don't have to worry. I'm going to go through all the steps with you. Let's start then. First, you have to go to any browser and go to google.com. I would then search account Gmail setup. You get first option that says create a Gmail account. I would click on it. Then I can see a button here which says create an account. I would click on it. Now this is the page where you actually have to set up your account. There are very simple steps which I'll go through with you. First, you have to enter your name. Now, two things you have to remember. If this is your personal account, you can write your name, your first and last name. If this is your business account, then you can type your business account name. So it's up to you, whichever way you like to create, depending on your needs. So I would create a personal account and I would type in my name here first. Now to create a username, now this is going to be user ID, your Gmail ID. So you have to remember this. It has to be, you have to use your letters, numbers, and period, which is full stop. You cannot use special characters. If you do, then you'll get a warning basically, and it won't let you go through. So I would create a username because I'm creating a personal account. I would create something related to my name. This is just an example. And if I click on tab, it will give me a warning if the email account or if the username has been taken. For example, I'm getting here that username is taken, try another. That means somebody is already using this email ID. So just for the sake of example, I would show you can add something and tab out. This would show you that if you don't get any warning, that means you can use this as a username. Now with the password, you have to make sure minimum has to be 8. You can use characters, you can use letters, numbers, uppercase, small case, or symbols as well. So for example, I'm going to create a password. I'm going to use something like my school name. Apologies, I'll just add it again. And maybe a few numbers and characters that I want to use. Now, if you want to use show password, I would suggest you to use this if you're home. If you're in a public place, I wouldn't suggest you to use show password. This is, if you take this, it will basically show you the actual password instead of asterisk. So you want to compare and then you can confirm. Then I can click on next. Apologies, I just have to enter save password. So here you go, and then click on next. Now here you can enter your mobile number. Sometimes you do get an option to enter mobile number and sometimes it says it's optional. So for this, it's asking me to enter my mobile number. I can just add. This is for verification purpose. Then you can click on next. Now you'll get a verification code on your phone. So you can go to your messages and check if you did get any verification code. You just need to enter it here. Then click on verify, and there you go. Now sometimes Google actually, when you create a password set up an account, the second and the third step where it asks you for mobile number, sometimes you won't get that option. It'll directly take you to this page. So if you do get this page, you don't have to enter any mobile number. It's optional here. And even the email address is optional here. So if you have any other email address already, you can enter here. This will be easy when you want to. If you forget your password, if you forget your user ID or something, it will be easy for you to recover it. Now here you have to enter your date of birth. So I'm just gonna enter it here. And your gender you can select and then click on next. Now this is if you would like to add your number where you want it to be used to receive video calls and messages or the services. It's up to you. If you want to add it, you can change it later as well. So I would usually skip it for now. Here again, you have two options for personalized settings. These are just settings that will be used for your ads or your personalized settings. If I choose express personalization, this will be only one step and I can directly go and open an account. If I use manual personalization, that will be 5 steps where you have to go through each one of them and choose. But these settings, you can change them later as well once the account is opened. So for now, I would choose express personalization. That would be quick. Click on next. Now again, this is regarding your personalization settings and cookies, how you want them to be used. I would go at the bottom and click on confirm. You can go through it if you would like. Then we have privacy and terms. Again, you can go through them if you would like, and then click on I agree. There you go, your account has been opened and it says your first name and last name. Welcome, Sarjon. Here you have your home, your personal info. Whenever you would like to change your personal info, you can go through and you can change your mobile number, your other email ID, date of birth, anything you would like to change. We've got data and privacy, and again you can change the settings here. And that's it. This is how you open your account. And good luck.